because yeah, let me see my travel. Why am I being stopped, sir?
I told you already.
No, I want to know again right now.
Okay.
So.
Once you give me your driver's license, I'll tell you
No,
again.
I just have to. I'm gonna ask you, please. Why am I being?
Like I said, I'll tell you again once you give me your driver's license.
So why am I being?
Are you not going to give me your license?
No, I'm gonna give you. So.
Okay, I know. Okay, you can record me. That's fine. I told you why I stopped you. Just
Right.
give me your driver's license, and I'll tell you again. I'm not required to tell you why.
No.
And if you're going to refuse to give me your license, you're going to be considered obstructing. I don't want to go down that
No,
route.
I am not, officer. I'm respecting
Okay.
you. By the way.
Will you please hand
why
that
am
to
I
me,
being
then?
stopped?
Will you please hand me that?
I'm asking you why am I being
So
stopped?
what
Please
you're
don't
doing
kill
now
me.
is just being argumentative, and you're not
No,
giving me your
I'm
ID,
not.
which
No,
is
I'm
illegal.
not. No, I'm. I'm gonna give you.
I told you. I stopped you because you swerved over the lane line onto the shoulder on 35E prior to Cliff Road.
Okay.
As I was behind you, you hit your brake lights.
Okay.
Your third brake light's not operating properly.
Okay.
You also have objects displayed underneath your mirror. That's illegal in the state of Minnesota.
Which one?
Anything hanging below your mirror,
Okay.
that's illegal in the state of Minnesota.
Okay.
Okay?
All
Can I
right.
have your driver's license, please?
Okay, you've been aggressive, so though I'm gonna give you my driver licenses, but you've been aggressive, Officer Peterson, and you shouldn't do that.
Are you going to give me your driver's license?
Yeah. So yes.
Thank you. Do you have insurance on this car?
Yes, I
Can
do.
you show me proof of insurance, please?
Sure. I'm gonna give you. And officer, I'm sorry. I did not mean, but I have to ask you everything in order to protect the. Yep. This is my insurance. How you doing, sir? Officer, how you doing?
Huh?
How you
Do you
doing?
have one that's not expired? This expired in 2021.
Yes, I do.
Can you show me proof of that?
I'm under this insurance still.
Can you show me proper insurance card that's not expired?
Yep. So, hold on. Sophia. Yeah. Hold on a second. Is she gonna kill me?
Can you get that insurance?
Yeah, I will do that. So what's going on now?
Chat with him.
She's standing over there
No,
for safety. Okay, here's the deal. I need you to give me the insurance.
I'm
I
just-
understand you want to record, and that's fine.
No,
but
I'm-
at this point, you're just starting to argue with us.
No,
and
I'm
you're
not.
asking
I'm
everything
not,
that's going
officer.
on.
I am not. Everything is recorded, and I am not. But I'm having anxiety.
Okay.
And just
and this could be a simple, quick thing, get you on your way.
absolutely. Yeah,
That's what
I have
want.
to go. I have to go. But I have to go get it. Everything. So are you gonna kill me? Are you gonna
No.
kill me? So because that's
Why
what
are you even saying?
what making my anxiety, Sophia? I have anxiety, sir. I'm just
fine.
having like
understand.
a PTSD.
All I'm asking you to do is pull up a proof of insurance.
I
that's
am.
current.
Okay?
If you can do that, I would appreciate it.
I'm gonna give you. So what? I have nothing.
How do you
have
say your
nothing.
first name?
I have nothing. So don't worry about
How do you say your
it
first name?
says, my name is
How do you say it?
you have it.
I just don't know how to pronounce that.
It's up to you, officer. You have it, my last name, and you can read it. So I am
Okay.
not obstructing you.
Okay, just see
but
if you can find that insurance.
I am. So would you give me space, please? Because you are, my PTSD is like kind of
Okay,
like.
look for the insurance.
Yeah, but if you give me space, please.
I just stepped back.
Yeah, because I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. Oh my gosh. Yep, I'm gonna give you. Can you call your supervisor?
For what?
Because I'm in dangerous. You know, I'm just.
You're in danger?
Yeah, I'm just feeling
Danger
safe.
of what?
Because she is. I'm in danger of like losing his life.
Of what?
Losing his life.
Losing what life?
His life, my life.
Why are you gonna lose your life?
Because you might shoot me.
I'm not gonna
You might
shoot
shoot me, or she might shoot me.
Why is she gonna shoot you?
Because that's why she's approaching me, and I am nothing about
I'm
it.
standing outside your window, dude.
Huh?
Relax.
I will tell you right now, she's not gonna shoot you.
That is what.
I'm not gonna shoot
That
you.
is what. Yeah, that's what. I
Do you
feel.
have a valid license?
I
sir?
did. I do. I gave it to him, and
Give it to him?
yeah,
You have a valid license?
yes, I do.
Okay, well, you'll be out here in a second.
Yeah. So, but if she give me space, I could have been getting my insurance.
You have insurance?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. As long as you have insurance and your license is valid, you've got it.
I am, but I have to be researched, but somebody is on my face. Sophia, go to life. It will be, Sophia, go to life. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. أعوذ بكلمات. يا الله أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق.
Are you able to get that insurance?
I'm seeking through my email.
Okay, that's fine.
So. Yeah, call me inshallah. Call me on FaceTime, so. Sophia, life, I am. Sick, I am. How was you, Sophia? Yeah, insurance get ready now, yes. Email. Ha. Yeah.
So I'm giving you a citation for no proof of insurance.
No, I do have.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you.
No, I'm not gonna wait here all day for it.
Because-
Quite honestly, you're focusing more on recording than actually looking for it. So if you do have proof of insurance, there's instructions on how you can get this ticket get gone. If you
Okay.
actually have insurance now, you just don't have it with you. Okay.
Okay.
So instructions, take care of it. They're all in the back. If you want to pay it, there's 4 ways. Otherwise, there's a phone number. You can set up a court date if you'd like to do so.
Okay.
There's a section on there for no insurance. Not giving you a ticket for any of the other stuff. Like I said, there are 3 other reasons to stop.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Make sure you're wearing your seatbelt. When I walked up here, you didn't have it on. Warning for that as well.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't. But can you say again one more time? Can you say again? what's the
Instructions to
citation?
take care of it are all in the back. There's 4 ways to pay it if you'd like to do so.
Instruction.
Instructions. If you read through the back, it tells you how to take care of the ticket.
Okay. So what ticket? What is the ticket for?
The
that you
ticket,
give
the
me?
charge is on the front. It's for no proof of insurance. The
Okay.
insurance card you showed me was 2 years expired.
If I give you proof of insurance, what's gonna happen?
There's a section on the back that you can read, and it'll explain how you can send that proof to the state of Minnesota, and they'll take care of the ticket.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Thank
Get
you.
that brake light fixed, okay?
I will.
All right.
I will. Thank you. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for being discriminated. Safiya waa la kala cararay. Ilaaha iga reebay. Tigidaan ku siinaynaa oo yiri 5 gaari ayaa igu imaatay. La joojiyay. 5 gaari ayaa igu imaatay insha Allah. Waxaa la isugu keenay. Hello. Hey, ku qabso ku qadi maysid. La ilaaha illa Allah Muhammad rasuulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Hey, waxaa la yiri bareega ka jaban saasan hadda tigid ku siinayna waadna la murantay marka haddaan insurance ma haysatid la yiri insurance hadda ma haysatid waa kaasa ما أنا نحرسي قال وحو إلهي إيجا قبته وحو شاقو واي 6 5 ها بسكولة وهاي ها هي الحمد لله